Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Connect Info Systems. Today we will be discussing about how Odoo transforms e-commerce, streamlining your online business. Imagine you are the owner of an online store selling electronics and faces challenges like manual order processing. Staff spend hours manually processing orders, leading to errors and delays. Inventory issues, outdated records, cost, stockouts, and overstocking, frustrating customers. Disconnected tools, separate systems for CRM, marketing, and accounting couldn't keep up with their needs. Scalability limits. Their tools weren't designed for growth, making expansion into new market impossible. This is where Odoo comes in. Odoo is an all-in-one ERP solution designed to integrate everything from inventory management and order processing to customer relationship management and accounting into one seamless platform. Odoo. One platform, multiple solutions. Let's take a look at TechGears, an electronics store, and see how Odoo transformed their e-commerce operations. First, inventory management with Odoo. TechGears has real-time insights into their stock levels, automatic reordering, and accurate stock tracking, reducing the chances of overstocking or running out of popular items. Odoo automatically alerts you when stock is running low, so you can restock before running out, saving you time and potential revenue loss. Next is order management with Odoo. Orders are automatically processed and categorized from payment verification to shipment scheduling. This cuts down on human errors and speeds up the order fulfillment process. Odoo seamlessly integrates your sales data with your financial records, providing real-time profit and loss statements, tax calculations, and easy invoicing, all from one place. Odoo isn't just for backend operations, it also helps enhance customer experience. With mobile-friendly online stores, seamless checkouts, multiple payment gateways, and personalized product recommendations, TechGears can offer their customers a smoother, faster, and more enjoyable shopping experience. With Odoo's built-in analytics and reporting tools, TechGears can track everything: sales trends, customer behavior, and marketing campaign performance. This helps them make data-driven decisions and further optimize their e-commerce operations. So, whether you are managing a small store or scaling up a large e-commerce business, Odoo helps you run everything under one roof, from inventory, orders, customer relationships, and finances. It's the perfect solution for businesses looking to thrive in today's competitive market. Are you ready to transform your e-commerce business? If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe for more.